I just want to thank the Lord
Ay, kumukulas.
na nakapunta ko dito sa Spain. This is my first time here in Madrid, in Spain. Thank you talaga na nakapunta ko dito that you invite me. I'm so happy na meron kaming mga bagong brothers and sisters dito sa Spain. Hindi na solo si Christian, di ba? Cliquishness, itong grupo, pero siya solo pa. Kaya, thank you talaga na meron na siya mga pamilya, brothers and sisters. I just want to tell you that, di ba, itong lahat, everything, itong room na to, yung food kanina, or the sessions, the speakers kanina, hindi kompleto pag wala si God, di ba, in the middle, sa center, sa among center, di ba, sa heart. And we shouldn't forget that God, this whole thing is because we love God, di ba? And we should take this worship, or as a privilege to thank God and to appreciate His love, di ba? So we can respond, di ba? Sinabi ko kanina, we should respond His love, and yeah, we should take this chance to say thank you to the Lord. Kayo, hindi ko lang paano mag-worship, pero we can make it a little bit different now. We can spread dito sa room and try to feel talaga yung worship na to. Kasi, I mean, this is the last worship. Nandito ako, diba? At saka, just try to thank Him talagang with all your heart, with all your mind, and with all your soul. Yeah, sorry. Try to close your eyes, diba? Kasi, so you can focus talagang on God and